It really is fine to see no litter around. I guess we have been careless about where we throw our drown.
And if you taste our water, you know for sure how wonderful it is to drink water that's naturally pure.
What that cute psychic says is totally true. Nature's crystal clear water is so good for you. Now I've just come from my breakfast swim, and those good green water plants just fill me with vim.
Oh, children, please kneel in our source. She also sings, and perhaps will join in our chorus.
Well, now, I don't mind if I do. I've been told that my voice is quite true. Toot your own horn, that's my motto, so I wrote myself a small obligato. Now, this little song is dedicated to me. It's really quite catchy. I'm sure you'll agree. My, oh my, but sea is fun. But now it's brunch time, and I really must run.